kids! Today we are going to study again. Are you ready? Yes, I am. Say yes, I am. Are you ready? Yes, I am. Very good. Now let us start. Our topic for today is about color of things. Everybody say color of things. We are going to study about the different color of things. To start, let us see what colors is it. Everybody say red. Red. So this is the color red. And we have things from the color red. Students, can you repeat after me? Okay. Please repeat after me. Red strawberry. Red strawberry. One more time. Red strawberry. Very good. Next. What is this? Red apple. Red apple. One more time. Red apple. Very good. What is this? Red crab. Red crab. Red crab. Very good. These are color red. Next color we have orange. 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 Now let us know the things from the color orange. Please repeat after me. Orange, orange. Orange, orange. Very good. Orange carrot. Orange carrot. Very good. Orange pumpkin. Orange pumpkin. One more time. Orange pumpkin. Those are the things from orange color. Next, let's go to the next color. We have yellow. Everybody say yellow. Very good. Yellow cheese. Yellow cheese. Yellow banana. Yellow banana. Yellow sun. Yellow sun. Very good. Those are the things from the yellow color. So, let us review. We have red, color orange, and yellow. One more time. Can you say what color is this? Red, orange, yellow. Very good, kids. Now, let us color. What color is this? Can you tell me? What color is this? Orange. Very good. It's an orange carrot. Very good, kids. Next, Can you tell me what color is this? What color is this? Very good. It's yellow. Yellow sun. Good job. Next, what color is this? Louder. Red. Very good. It's red. Red crab. Good job. How about this one? What color is this? Can you tell me? Orange. Good job. Orange pumpkin. It's orange pumpkin. Good job. This one, do you know what color is this? Yellow. Very good. It's yellow banana. Very good, kids. How about this one? What color is this? What color? Red. Good job. Red strawberry. Very good. Good job, kids. Now, let us review. Color, red. Everybody say red. Orange and yellow. Sun. Okay, let us recognize the things. Sun, banana, cheese. How about this one? Pumpkin, carrot, orange. Good job. How about this one? Strawberry, apple, and crab. This is crab. One more time. Crab. Good job. They are color red, orange, and yellow. Goodbye, kids. See you again next time.